Hello and welcome back. Today I've got an interesting video for you. So the lovely people over at ChangeCheck have sent this over to me to show you guys one of their latest products, and there's a link down in the description. If it's of interest to you, then you can go there and you can get a discount by clicking on the link and going through that. But just to let you, so for sake of transparency, this they sent to me for free. They're not paying me to do this video. I don't get any sort of kickbacks if you do make any purchases, so there's no pressure on you going over and buying it. But if it's something that you like, then feel free to. But I'm excited to see it because I've read about it and had a look on their website and it looks awesome. So we've got, hi Christopher Collects, we thought you might like the brand new D-Day £2 coin, and so here it is in our bespoke collector's card as part of the History of Britain in coin set. If any of your followers would like to secure the set for themselves, here's a special link we've put together. So that's the link, it'll be down in the description as well. All the best, Rachel from ChangeChecker HQ. Well, that's awesome. So we've got this awesome pack, which I think one of these was on the giveaway, wasn't it? So it comes with these cards, you can see, and you can pop the coin in the spot there, and you've got information about it, about the coins there. So we've got a whole range of them. Are these all the war related ones? We've got, is that the D-Day anniversary? Not the VE anniversary, St. Paul's. Lord Kitchener. Suffragettes. And the gunpowder plot. Very, very cool. And we've got a whole bunch more under here actually. Great Fire of London, Sir Isaac Newton, Magna Carta, Battle of Hastings, Charles Darwin, and the NHS 50p. But they're awesome because they go into these. Let me just show you what it looks like. They go in there. There we go. It's quite a snug fit, but that'll stop your coin rolling around. Very, very cool. So, what have we got here? Top 10 change checking tips. When you go to a shop, pay with banknotes so you receive coins in your change. Ask the shopkeeper if they can give you change in the denominations you need. Give your family and friends a list of the coins you need and ask them to keep a lookout for you. Yep, that's definitely something I always say to people. Put up a poster at your school or activity club and offer to swap the ones you need with spare coins. I haven't thought of that, that's a neat idea. Collecting groups, the more people you're looking for coins, the better your chances. Check everywhere, in the house, down the back of the sofa, in the car, in your piggy bank, you never know what you can find. Ask a local shopkeeper to keep an eye out for any special coins you need for your collection. Actually, that is something that people have said that they've done quite a lot, which definitely has been some successes. Hold a cake sale and sell your cakes 50p or £2. It'll also be good fun baking the cakes. Ask an adult if they can add your coins to the ChangeChecker swap centre. And be patient. It can be disheartening when you can't find a certain coin, but just think about how great you'll feel when you track it down and are able to add it to your collection. So yes, perseverance. Never give up. The only way you'll never find your Kew Gardens or your Jemima Pollock or whatever your rare coin is you're still looking for, the only way to guarantee you'll never get it is to stop looking. So we have got the D-Day landings. Isn't it just such a fabulous coin? Absolutely cracking coin. Let's see what it says on the back. So, on June the 6th, in the largest invasion ever assembled, 156,000 Allied troops landed by sea and by air on 5 beachheads in Normandy, France. The code name for the attack was Operation Overlord, not Overload, which I said in a previous video, like a bit of a donut. Operation Overlord, but it's better known as D-Day. The operation was the start of the liberation of Western Europe from German control and was the beginning of the end of the Second World War. How cool is that? It's such a stunning coin, isn't it? And it's a very, very cool picture as well. Landing on the beaches there. Wowee. But imagine if you've got all of these. Let's pop this in here. There we go. Imagine how cool this would look. Let's zoom out a bit. Imagine how cool it would look having all your coins in these cool little display cases. But that's amazing. So like I said, if it's something that you're interested in, something you like the look of, feel free to click on the link, get yourself a discount as well whilst you're going over there, and add it to your collection. But a massive thank you to the guys over at Change Checker for sending this to me, and especially to Rachel, who I speak to via email quite a bit. It's really kind of them to send it over to me. It's an extra video I can make for you guys. It's great to be able to show you other products that are available to sort of help with your coin collecting. But let me know in the comments what you think of these. I think they're really slick. And Patrick's already pinched one of the ones that they sent over to me as a thank you for working with them previously. And he's got his collection in them, so he really likes them too. So all that leads me to do is thank you so much to Change Checker for sending this over to me to sort of show you guys and make an extra video for you to see. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.